How to hide Instagram profile from phone contacts. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open your Instagram application first and get logged into your Instagram account. Then tap on this Use section on your bottom right. Tap on 3-bar icon here. You will see a search bar. Here type in Upload Contacts. Tap onto the first option. And let's go ahead and just visit our Instagram profile. Here, make sure that you have untoggled this Connect Contacts option. If it's toggled on, Instagram will sync and securely store your contacts to help you connect with people you know on Instagram. It will also recommend things you care about and offer a better service. For today's video, make sure that you untoggle this, and that way your profile will not get uploaded to your phone contacts. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.